Meet Sam, a budding new fast food worker eager to face the world of money. Sam just got her first paycheck, and her bank account is looking better than ever. She's feeling good, like really good. The options? Endless. The excitement? Off the charts. But what she doesn't know yet is that money isn't just about spending. It's about how you manage it. Sam's got money to spend, and her friends know it. You have to come to this concert, they tell her. It's expensive, sure, but this is a once-in-a-lifetime thing, right? Sam hesitates for a second, but then she thinks, this is what money's for, isn't it? So Sam tells herself she has to go. This concert, once in a lifetime. Saving? That can wait. But later, when she's scrolling through social media, she realizes something. Her feed is packed with people spending. Fancy dinners, new sneakers, the latest phone. Suddenly, it's not just about the concert anymore. It's about all the things she could be buying and all the things she's missing out on if she doesn't. Money stress is real. And it's one of the biggest reasons young people feel anxious or overwhelmed. And now, Sam is feeling it too. She keeps telling herself she'll save next time, but her balance just keeps shrinking. She avoids checking her bank account, hoping that somehow not looking will make it better. Out of sight, out of mind, right? Unexpected costs? They don't care if you plan ahead. Now, Sam is stuck, and that excitement from her first paycheck, it's gone. Ever avoid looking at your bank account because you knew it wasn't good news? What about spending on something you don't need because you figured saving was a lost cause? Or telling yourself, I'll budget next month, and then never actually doing it. Avoiding money problems won't make them go away, as much as we may want that sometimes. Sam's feeling the pressure. She keeps blowing through her paycheck faster than she expects, and now she's staring at her cracked phone screen, wondering how she's going to pay for a repair. Instead of asking for help, she figures she'll solve it on her own. And right on cue, her phone starts feeding her solutions. Flashy ads promoting fast cash, get-rich-quick schemes, and those too-good-to-be-true opportunities. Her friend Alex even mentions this gambling app he's been using. Dude, I made $50 in like 10 minutes, he says. Sounds easy, right? But what Alex doesn't mention? He lost way more than he won. These easy money tricks don't actually fix anything. They just create more problems. Most people end up spending way more than they actually make, and before they know it, they're stuck in an even worse spot than before. And it's not just gambling. Ever notice how your feed is packed with buy now, pay later deals, limited time offers, and influencers making you feel like you need the newest, coolest thing? Companies want you to feel like you're missing out, like you have to spend money right now or you'll regret it. Ever bought something on impulse and immediately regretted it after? Yeah, Sam's been there too. What made you feel like you had to buy it in the moment? Sam's tired of feeling like she's constantly chasing money but never really in control. She knows she needs to do something, so instead of looking for another quick fix, she decides to actually figure out where her money is going. She starts simple, just tracking what comes in and what goes out. And surprise, surprise, turns out all those little "it's just a few bucks" moment adds up real fast. But now that she sees where her money is going, she can start making better choices. She also reaches out for advice. A quick chat with her school counselor gives her some easy tips, things like setting aside a little bit each paycheck for emergencies, avoiding impulse purchases, and finding free or cheaper ways to hang out with friends. And the more she learns, the more she realizes managing money isn't about being rich. It's about being in control. It's knowing that the next time her phone breaks, she won't have to panic. It's saying no to things she doesn't really want so she can say yes to things that actually matter. Money stress doesn't disappear overnight, but now Sam feels way more in charge of her choices, and that's the whole point. Sam's journey wasn't about making more money. It was about learning how to handle what she had. She figured out that money stress doesn't come from how much you make, but from not knowing where it's going. And now she feels more in control, less overwhelmed, and way more confident about her choices. But here's the thing. Sam's not the only one who's been here. Ever felt pressure to spend money just because everyone else was? Ever avoided checking your bank balance because you knew it wasn't going to be good? Yeah, you're not alone. Managing money isn't about being perfect. It's about making small choices that help you stress less and feel more in control. So what's one thing you could do today to make your money situation a little easier? Maybe it's tracking what you spend for a week. Maybe it's setting a small saving goal. Maybe it's just checking your balance and facing the numbers. Your financial well-being matters. So take control, make a plan, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it.